Hi, I'm Danielle from Godiva Secret Wigs. You might know us as Danny and Ro, the mother-daughter owners, and I'm Danny, the daughter. Today I am so excited to introduce to you our Virtual Wig Try-On Room and show you exactly how to use it. So this is the way for you to try on our wig styles and colors to get an idea of what they're actually going to look like on you before you buy them. And get ready to have fun. It is a blast. So here we go. So I'm on our website right now, and I'm doing it on the desktop, but it's the same instructions on mobile. So you're going to find this wig try-on pink button, and you're going to click right on it. This takes you to a page that talks about our virtual wig try-on room. So you're going to have how to use it, the different buttons and what they mean, which I will go over with you, and some tips to get started. Once you're ready, just click enter Danny and Ro's Virtual Wig Try-On Room. Here we go. So this page it takes you to is all the wigs that we currently have the wig try-on feature available for. We are adding new ones every single week. We are working hard, so keep checking back here. And also, I don't know if you've been to our private Facebook group. It's called Godiva's Secret Wig Community. And on there, we are also posting every time we add a new wig to the try-on group. So you'll see here all the different styles. I just want to make one quick point out. So you'll see here Alana, next to it Alana with roots. So this is the exact same wig style. The only difference is the color. If it says with roots, then you'll see at the very base of the wig, you'll see what looks like a darker brown, which is meant to look like roots or regrowth. So all the colors in that product category are going to have the darker color at the roots. So again, these are the same style. So if you're not finding the color you want in the regular one, be sure you're checking the rooted one as well. Also, some of our different wigs on here have different sizes. So here you'll see Alana large. That is the large cap size. Here where it says medium wig, that's the length of the wig in parentheses. So down here, again, you'll see Christy large. That's the large cap size. Same with here again, you'll see Freedom and Freedom with roots. So again, same style, just different colors. Here again, you see large, petite. So that part is what's going to talk about the cap size. Same here. You have Sheila, Sheila large, Sheila petite. So exact same wig, just different cap sizes. All right, let's see. Who do we want to pick? So I'm going to go with Freedom with Roots. So you're just going to click on whichever style you want to try. So you're going to see this try it on, this pink try it on button. So any wig that has this has the try on feature. So you'll use the drop down. You can just click and scroll down to whichever color you want to try on. I'm going to click Almond Spice. Let's try that. And then we're going to click this pink try it on button. Voila. So here you'll notice a picture of Rochelle. So you can change the photo up here in the corner, this change photo button. And so you can choose to take a photo of your own. You can do it on your desktop if you have a camera, or also do it on your phone. And you'll just take a photo, be sure that you are smiling, and pull your hair back for the best photo as well. Or you can upload a current photo of yourself that you have, or select one of our models. So for this, I'm going to select Rochelle, and she is the Ro in the Danny and Ro duo. She's my mom, and isn't she looking gorgeous here? So it's on her, and so right away I'm saying, this doesn't look exactly right on her head. So I'm going to use the cursor, and you can move it around. So I want to put it at her hairline. That's kind of step one. And then down here, you're going to see a bunch of buttons in the black bar. So this first one is to reset. So say you've done a bunch of stuff and you want to just reset it all. Click the reset button. The plus sign is to make the wig bigger to fit your head. The minus sign is to make it smaller. So you want to kind of make it so that it seems to fit your head. This, with the arrows going outward, is to make it wider. The arrows going in is to make it more narrow. So you kind of want to play with those until you get what looks right. This is if you need to tilt it left a little. Here's if you need to tilt it right a little. So once you get it on and you're liking it, she looks good in that. Again, that's the Freedom and Almond Spice that she's trying. If you want to keep the picture and download it, share it with friends, share it on our Facebook group, you're just going to click this down arrow right here. And that way you can download the photo either to your computer or to your phone. And if you want to buy it, you can click Buy Now. And if you want to try something else, just hit this X button. And here you're back, and you could try another color in Freedom. You could hit your back arrow and try a whole other style. Let's do Diana. So I'm clicking on Diana. I'm going to put her in, let's see. We're going to do silver mink. We'll put her in something gray. And you'll notice this picture is the silver mink color, which matches here. So you can see it in the nice big photo. So I'm going to hit try it on again. And it will automatically keep whatever picture you were using before. So it looks a little narrow. I'm just going to make it a touch wider, and I don't really need to do much with this. So now we can see her in Diana. So again, these are just amazing, fun ways to get to see yourself in different wig styles, different colors. You may be trying things you never thought would look good on you, and you might be very surprised. And you just try and have fun. And like I said, on our Facebook group, Godiva's Secret Wig Community, people are going nuts and sharing all their different photos. They're sharing pictures that they have done on here and then sharing a picture of themselves in the actual wig so you can see how close it is. And of course, this is just a virtual try-on. It is to give you a great idea of how something's going to look on you. But obviously, when you have it on in person, you can change the bangs, you can tuck it behind your ear. But this really gives you an idea of the style and the color. So again, Danielle here with Godiva's Secret Wigs, and this is our virtual wig try-on room. We are the first wig company to ever do this, so this is actually to give you a more realistic wig look. So be sure to share it with your family, your friends, and share it on our Facebook group, Godiva's Secret Wig Community. It is so much fun, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.